How to fix PicsArt app not working. So if you want to fix PicsArt app not working, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you just need simply open up your PicsArt. After opening your PicsArt, now you just need simply go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and now you can go with the settings option. You can go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and then tap on settings. Under settings, you will have clear web cache. Tap on the clear web cache and then tap on yes. Now this might fix your problem, but if this doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go back and you need to open up your Play Store, or if you're using an iOS device, you can go with the App Store. And from here you can go with search and search for PicsArt. Now if you have any updates, you need to go and update the application. After updating, you can just go back, search for PicsArt, and then tap and hold on to that application. Go with the app info, go with storage and cache, and after that go with clear cache. And now you can restart your device. After restarting, your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.